Invest in rental properties. Purchase a property and rent it out to generate rental income while you sleep. Create and sell digital products. Create ebooks, online courses, or software products and sell them online while you sleep. Start a blog. Create a blog on a niche topic, build an audience, and monetize it through affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and ads. Invest in dividend-paying stocks. Invest in stocks that pay dividends to earn passive income through regular dividend payments. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services through affiliate links and earn a commission for each sale generated through your referral. Create an online store. Start an e-commerce store selling physical products or dropshipping items to earn passive income while you sleep. Peer-to-peer lending. Lend money to individuals or businesses through peer-to-peer lending platforms and earn interest on your investment. Invest in real estate crowdfunding. Invest in real estate projects through crowdfunding platforms and earn passive income through rental income or property appreciation. Create a YouTube channel. Create videos on a topic you are passionate about, build an audience, and monetize your channel through ads and sponsored content. Write and self-publish books. Write books and self-publish them on platforms like Amazon to earn passive income from book sales. Create an online course. Create and sell an online course on a topic you are knowledgeable about to earn passive income from course sales. Create a passive income stream through affiliate partnerships. Partner with companies to promote their products or services through affiliate marketing and earn a commission for each sale generated through your referral. Sell digital products on Etsy or other online marketplaces. Create and sell digital products like printables, templates, or digital art on online marketplaces to earn passive income while you sleep. Create an app. Develop and launch a mobile app that solves a problem or entertains users to earn passive income through app downloads and in-app purchases. Invest in a high-yield savings account or CD. Put your money in a high-yield savings account or certificate of deposit (CD) to earn passive income through interest payments. Invest in a robo-advisor or automated investment platform. Use a robo-advisor or automated investment platform to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds to earn passive income through dividends and capital gains. License your photography or artwork. Sell the rights to use your photography or artwork to businesses or individuals to earn passive income through licensing fees. Create a subscription service. Create a subscription service that offers exclusive content, products, or services to subscribers in exchange for a monthly fee to earn passive income. Start a podcast. Create a podcast on a topic you are passionate about, build an audience, and monetize your podcast through ads, sponsorships, and listener donations. Invest in a passive income business. Purchase an existing passive income business or start a new one to earn passive income while you sleep.